Welcome to our educational tutorial on crypto trading strategies, copy trading, and futures trading in the cryptocurrency market. Understanding crypto trading strategies is essential for traders looking to navigate the volatile crypto market effectively. Copy trading simplifies trading for beginners by allowing them to mimic the trades of experienced traders automatically. Exploring futures trading provides insight into leveraging contracts to speculate on the future price movements of cryptocurrencies. Dive deeper into crypto trading strategies to enhance your trading skills and make informed decisions in the market. Discover the benefits of copy trading, a method that allows you to follow successful traders and replicate their trading moves. Master the basics of futures trading and learn how to use leverage to amplify your potential profits in crypto markets. Stay ahead in the crypto market by implementing proven crypto trading strategies tailored to your risk tolerance and goals. Utilize copy trading to diversify your trading portfolio and gain insights from seasoned traders to improve your trading outcomes. Manage risks effectively in futures trading by understanding the impact of leverage and proper risk management techniques. Enhance your trading knowledge with advanced crypto trading strategies that can help you optimize your trading performance. Embrace the convenience of copy trading to follow expert traders effortlessly and improve your trading success rate. Maximize your potential gains in futures trading by utilizing leverage wisely and staying informed about market trends. Achieve your trading goals by combining the right mix of crypto trading strategies, copy trading techniques, and futures trading insights. Join the ranks of successful traders by mastering the art of crypto trading strategies, copy trading, and futures trading. Empower your trading journey with knowledge, practice, and the right trading tools to excel in the dynamic crypto market. Start your trading adventure today and explore the world of crypto trading strategies, copy trading, and futures trading with confidence. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. Remember, success in crypto trading comes with knowledge, discipline, and continuous learning.